Welcome back to Zoonitoons. Today, we're jumping straight into action with three amazing Marvel heroes full of power, speed, and style. Grab your pencils and colors because we're about to draw and color some of the coolest heroes ever: Spider-Man Miles Morales, Hulk, and Ms. Marvel. We start with Miles Morales, the stealthy Spider-Man who swings through the city in his black and red suit. His dynamic pose shows his speed and agility as he leaps into action. We carefully shape his mask and web patterns to capture that heroic, futuristic look. The purple highlights on his costume bring energy and motion to his design. We fill his suit with deep black and bright red, giving that bold contrast that makes him stand out. The background bursts with orange and red tones, perfect for this fast-moving web slinger. Next, it's time for Hulk, the strongest Avenger with unstoppable power. We start by sketching his massive muscles and fierce face filled with determination. His strong fists and pose show his incredible strength, ready to smash anything in his way. We fill his skin with bright green tones that make him look powerful and full of life. His purple shorts bring out that classic Hulk style we all know and love. The blue background adds energy and contrast, making Hulk look like he's breaking through the page. Now we move to Ms. Marvel, the amazing hero with stretching powers and a heart full of courage. We draw her dynamic arms and legs stretching wide as she leaps into action. Her confident smile and powerful pose show that she's ready to save the day. We bring her costume to life with red, blue, and yellow tones full of heroic energy. Her brown skin and dark hair make her look warm and full of spirit. The pink burst behind her adds excitement, showing her fun and fearless personality. And that's it for today's super-powered adventure on Zoonitoons. Collision. We brought to life Miles Morales, Hulk, and Ms. Marvel, each filled with energy, color, and strength. If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heroic art every week. Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep being amazing only on Zoonitoons. Artist Palette Dizzy.